Dear M fans, the BMW 3-liter CSL was not only the first production vehicle of BMW Motorsport GmbH, which was freshly founded in 1972, but also it became instantly an icon in the BMW Group history. Now, already in the year 1973, this car started winning races. Blue and red dominated the motorsports community. And especially this car, with Hans-Joachim Stuck and Chris Amnon, already finished first in the 6-hour race on the legendary Nürburgring track in 1973 after 42 laps and way ahead of the competition. And that was just the beginning. Now, next to me, the famous Batmobile, the 3-liter CSL. It's legendary and it's rare. And the fact that we've only built 167 pieces of this car between 1973 and 1975, combined with its legendary design and motorsport successes, makes this car a very sought-after, rare value, historic classical car. Now, the fact that we've only built so few of them also makes it quite impossible to see cars like this on public roads nowadays. Now let's go to the new 3-liter CSL right next to me. And our passion for motorsports, for sports cars, and our irrepressible will to create something unique in the past, but also nowadays, makes this a very, very special car, and is the motivation to do something like this. And it's not only a tribute to the 3-liter CSL of the past, this car is also ready to take its place in history of the BMW M brand in the future as well. Now today I'm presenting the most iconic car ever developed by BMW M. This car embodies the essence of 50 years of racing passion. It also includes, to its iconic roots, the most legendary model badge. And it's the perfect car to celebrate the end of the year 2022, where we were celebrating 50 years of M. And it is a piece of handcrafted art, just like a Picasso. And due to the fact that sales are limited to 50 pieces only, it's going to be an extremely rare collectible car. Now let's go for a walk around the car and have a look at the front of this car. If we look at the front of the new 3-liter CSL, there are some things that are obvious from the start. It's a classic two-door sport coupe with a typical BMW body design language. It's also got the classic front-rear layout, meaning an inline 6-cylinder engine, 3 liters, on the front and a rear-wheel drive. As a matter of fact, this 3-liter 6-cylinder engine has got the most power output we've ever had in a 6-cylinder engine, with 560 horsepower. Now, if we look at the front, you can see the 2 fins on the fenders on the side, as well as the round air intakes in the middle. And these 2 design features not only characterize dynamics and also the fact that this car has a push-forward attitude, but also they are a reference to the design icon, the 3-liter CSL from the past. Now in the middle you can also see a completely new designed kidney grille, and for sure you can see the yellow icon fog lights, which are a direct link to BMW Motorsports. Looking at the side of the 3-liter CSL, we see a 3-liter CSL specific painted livery with the M stripes on alpine white. And the appearance of the typical trademark BMW M motorsport colors are a clear reference and link to the livery of the race cars of the 1970s. And it takes up to 6 days to paint this livery on the car, and also up to 8 painting steps, mostly done manually, to get this job finished with a lot of love to detail. Now, also the wheels are something really special. We have exclusively golden 20 and 21-inch center lock lightweight wheels, which with their color scheme are closely linked to the color schemes of the 1970s. And also by the use of extensive lightweight design measures with carbon fiber and aluminium, we achieved a remarkably low power-to-weight ratio of just 2.9 kilograms per horsepower. Now also the roof edge spoiler and the BMW logo on the side are a clear reference to the classic 3-liter CSL of the past. Carbon lower door panels and a carbon center console with this iconic shift knob create a bespoke and upscale appearance. 3-liter CSL, standing for Coupe Sport Leichtbau. It's a magic formula that concisely summarizes the recipe for the success story of the two-door coupe. Now, if we look at the car, you can also see a wide track with big wheels covered by carbon fiber fenders on the outside. And also you can see a trunklet integrated rear wing visually grown out of these fenders on the side, not only looking amazing, but also helping to get downforce all the way up to the top speed of this car, which is above 300 kilometers per hour. Now also the wide stance in combination with the quad tailpipe titanium exhaust system leaves no doubt about the purpose of this car. On the one hand, the old and the new BMW 3-liter CSL are extremely rare collector cars. On the other hand, both cars were the pinnacle of technical engineering at their time. And of course, one thing, the most of it, they are iconic sports cars.